Streaming live, this is NewsNation Now.
Welcome to NewsNation Now. I'm Ji Suki. Here's what you need to know for November 19th. 2 COVID-19 vaccines could be ready for U.S. authorization and distribution within weeks, and federal officials say Americans could start receiving doses as early as this year. Pfizer reported yesterday that new test results show its vaccine is 95% effective. Moderna announced similar findings earlier this week. Both vaccines require 2 shots 4 weeks apart. And new this morning, AstraZeneca's vaccine candidate is showing promise among older patients. New trial data suggests that the vaccine produced a strong immune response in adults over 70. Moving on, your vote, your nation. Georgia is expected to release a report on its hand tally of the presidential race today. Election officials had said they were on track to finish the hand count by their deadline just before midnight. They say they expect the tally to affirm Democrat Joe Biden's narrow lead over President Donald Trump. Going into the count, Biden led Trump by a margin of about 14,000 votes. And in Wisconsin, Trump's campaign has paid $3 million for a recount in the 2 largest counties. The recounts in Milwaukee and Dane counties will begin no later than Saturday and must be completed by December 1st. Election officials say President Trump lost to Biden by a combined 364,000 votes in those counties. And Texas is sending a record number of medical staff to overwhelmed hospitals. Health officials say more than 5,400 extra medical personnel have been deployed across the state, but that number doesn't include the military and volunteer outfits that have also been dispatched to help. Governor Greg Abbott says more lockdowns are out of the question. He's scheduled to speak in the hard-hit city of Lubbock today. Of course, many thanks to all of our first responders and those in the medical field. A federal judge ordered the Trump administration to stop removing immigrant children who come into the United States alone. The ruling halts a policy that's resulted in thousands of rapid deportations of minors during the pandemic. The Trump administration has expelled at least 8,800 unaccompanied children since March, citing concerns over the coronavirus. And trending, America's northernmost city is saying goodbye to sunlight for at least 2 months. Can you believe it? The National Weather Service says following yesterday's sunset, it will be dark in the Alaskan town of Utqiagvik. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. Let me know on Facebook. Until January 23rd. Forecasters say it's part of a 66-day period of polar night. That's very cool time-lapse video that you can see on our website, newsnationnow.com, and hope you've downloaded our app and also signed up for our newsletter. For now, I'm G. Stick with us throughout the day for breaking news coverage.